Like I said before, I told to Kuya Kopio, oh, especially I advise to RM to tell Kuya Kopio, just respect those people who love Duterte. Oh, because if you love Bongbong Marcos, I say to Kuya Kopio, oh, I respect your own opinion. Oh, there are such things about opinion about politics. Oh, like me, just like I warn Paula Colin Nunez, G. Macasandil, Paula Colin Nunez, G. Macasandil, o Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May Tiburcio, and Ate Dina Guillermo, who were among Marcos loyalists, o especially Sangkay Janjan and Kuya Kopio, I just say to them, let's respect those people who love Duterte. Oh, like for me, look at me and Jens Manaid. Oh, we are pro Duterte. Oh, that's our own opinion. No, Jens and I, we have our own opinion. Oh, Stefan Pimentel has his own opinion. Oh, we have our own opinion. Oh, we love Rodrigo Duterte. That's our own opinion. Oh, if whether we love. Oh, I just say to Kuya Kopio and Paula Colin Nunez, uh, everyone, all those people are pro Duterte. They love Rodrigo Baham Hernando Roa Duterte. Oh, I say to Kuya Kopio, Paula Colin Nunez, G. Macasandil, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May Tiburcio, and Ate Dina Guillermo. If all of you are Marcos loyalists, don't be all of yourselves are immature. And that's not teachings from Pope Francis. Pope Francis has lots of teachings from the Filipinos how to use social media etiquette. Mostly Filipinos. Mostly those Filipinos na to avoid using illegal drugs, some youths, Pope Francis had taught us, and Pope Francis taught about social media etiquette, like according by the Catholic Bishop of Conference of the Philippines. We need to be more things. I could say social media etiquette is a more morality and lesson. According by Miguel Labitag, morality. Me, I'll never be a troll like somehow. Since the time I was a Marcos loyalist, I say to Kuya Kopio, I bash mom teacher Jessa Fernandez, I bash mom teacher Kel, me and Apollo Sanchez, you will reflect yourself, Kuya Kopio. Those people who love Rodrigo Duterte, that's their own opinion and that's their own choice. If you love Bongbong Marcos, I say to you, Kuya Kopio, that is your own opinion. That's what I said. We are all Filipinos. If I say again, if you love Bongbong Paulo Cruzada Marcos, I say to Kuya Kopio, that's your own opinion. That is your own opinion. If you love to say BBM or you love Bongbong Paulo Cruzada Marcos, I say to Kuya Kopio, I say to him, you that is your own choice. That is your own opinion. Me, I have my own opinion. If I love Rodrigo Baham Hernando Roa Duterte, that's my own opinion. For example, like Ma'am Teacher Kel, she voted Lenny Robredo. That was year 2022. She votes Lenny. Me in 2022, I voted Bongbong. Since the time, you know that, Kuya Kopio. Kuya Kopio, everyone have their own opinion. Everyone have their own choices. Like me, I have to avoid to be a Marcos loyalist. Because I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to get immature. I don't want to bash Ma'am Teacher Kel, even Ma'am Teacher Jessa Fernandez. I will be happen to Larry Gadon. That what he bash in social media. He bash Raisa Robles. That she is a anti-Marcos. That's her own opinion. Perhaps let them be. They have their own opinion. We are all Filipinos. We have our own opinion. If you're Ilocano, Kuya Kopio, I respect your own opinion. You said BBM. You love Bongbong Paulo Cruzada Marcos. That's your own opinion. That's your own choice. Nothing happened. Just respect others who have their own opinion. I told to RM, that kid, RM, you need to tell Kuya Kopio, just respect those people who love Rodrigo Duterte. Him is always to be a Bongbong Marcos. And he says BBM. They have their own opinion. Nanay Net, my relative, that was mother of Ate Isa and Ate Hana. Nanay Net is a Duterte supporter. She has her own opinion that she voted Apollo Kibuloy. She's supporter of Rodrigo Duterte. Nanay Net. Ate Isa. Even Ate Hana. They are all Duterte supporters. They have their own opinion. Even me and Jens Manaid and Stefan Pimentel, Charmaine Aloyan, especially Ate France, and even Ma'am Teacher Jessa Fernandez, including Sir Calvin Cuevas, and all among those who were those people who supporting Rodrigo Duterte, we are all Duterte supporters. That's our own opinion. Mark Pacione is a Duterte supporter. Stefan Pimentel, Duterte supporter. They have their own opinion. And I say to Kuya Kopio, Paula Colin Nunez, Jima Casandil, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May Tiburcio, and Ate Dina Guillermo, and Sangkay Janjan. Just respect those people who have their own opinion.